Dude, what is going on out here? I don't know if this is going to show up on camera, man, but this is crazy. It's like really, wow. Oh, man. This is the craziest job I've ever seen! Why am I talking this way? Oh, yeah, our power may have just gone out. It did! But it's back on. Great job, power. Wow. Hopefully my cats don't get out. Oh man, I think I see the Wicked Witch over there somewhere. Dude, this is crazy. Look at the tall trees. Look at them trees. Oh man, this is gonna knock down some trees for sure. Look at that one bowing over like that. I'm just getting wet standing inside my house trying to film this damn thing. What in the hell's going on, man? I don't even know. That's crazy. Wow, can you see those like sheets of rain just plowing through? I don't even know if this is that bad or what. Well, power's flickering again. It's bad, okay? It's bad, okay? Hang on, can we see it? What's going on over there? Some power? Well, you can see the power failure on the stove. The little PF marker. My TV keeps turning on. What is it, dummy? Run away! What is going on, man? Here we go again. Woo! This is a bad storm, okay? Let's see what happens. They're not moving too hard. Now, but they are swaying. Those big trees, not so much because they're in the leaves, there's a couple moving. I don't know if you can see, but there's a downed tree in the background right there. That happened from a few storms ago. Oh. See them trees are swaying? Pretty rad. Okay, it's getting a little more steady. Not as exciting. I'll come back to it if it gets crazier. Okay, so bye.